Condor has one of the boldest liveries in aviation right now. And no, this wasn't accidental. A few years ago, Condor made a very deliberate decision. Instead of blending in with white fuselages and tiny logos, they went in on stripes. Big ones, loud ones, impossible to ignore. And they didn't stop at the airplane. The stripes made their way everywhere: seats, amenity kits, socks, blankets, pretty much the entire brand. Some people absolutely love it, others don't. And that's kind of the point. Because whether you like it or hate it, you notice it. You talk about it. You recognize it instantly on the runway, on social media, and in the air. In an industry where most airlines play it safe, Condor chose to stand out. And honestly, I am one of those people that loves it and adores it. Either way, it gets attention. And in branding, that's what really matters. So the answer is this is definitely a winner.